In this video, we are going to cover Christmas Market of Ulm. Ulm is the city in south of Germany.
Ja, jetzt bin ich auf dem Video. Leo! Dienstag.
Right now, I'm so happy that I'm actually in this market. Visiting Ulm was not in my plans. I was actually coming from Munich and heading towards Basel. In midway somewhere, I had to stop for gas at a pump. And that is where I noticed a sign saying Ulm, 23 kilometers away. So, as I'm a random traveler as well, I thought, why not? Let's give it a go. And this market is one of the best market I have visited so far, and I'm loving every moment here. It's just like you're walking in a movie. So many stalls, cafes, local products, and then while I'm exploring and loving this market, I would like to understand how many of you know the origin of Christmas markets, how it started, where it originated from. So please mention in your comments. To understand why Christmas markets are such a big thing in Europe, we have to go back to 17th century. One of the first Christmas markets ever started in Germany, surprisingly, and in the 17th century towards the eastern part of German town called Dresden. The original idea of having a Christmas market was simply to sell local products, allow people to gather their stocks for upcoming long winters. Slowly it became a place where people will gather, socialize, have meals together.
Magst du auch eh mitfahren?
With time, Christmas markets became social, economical, and a commercial activity. Not only locals but also tourists come from afar now. At this moment, you'll find Christmas market in every town in Europe. Germany itself right now has more than 60 Christmas markets happening, and it has become a festivity. More than festivity, a competition whose Christmas market is better.
Ich würde auch gerne an einem Schnuppern, alles probieren, den Holzrepräsentanten, die alles auf ganz.
2 Jahren. Stark und für die Leute gut. Das macht es ja.
Oh ja, ich sehe dich gerade.
Ja, genau. Ja, gibt so ganz viel zu sehen, gell?
The market doesn't end, like it's so big. It's like whole town of Christmas market.
Dann Glühwein.
Gewerkschaft ist es, vor Weihnachten Klarheit für die Beschäftigten zu schaffen. Und auch seitens VW hieß es heute Vormittag, dass so schnell wie möglich angelöst werden muss. Das Problem dabei, die Forderungen können unterschiedlicher nicht sein. Während VW massiv sparen will, sagt die Gewerkschaft ganz klar,
Ja, ich weiß, das ist ja unser Samstag. Nur Pommes sagen.
This market is massive, and not only it is massive, but it has so many options to purchase from. This diversity makes it one of the best markets I have seen in the last 10 days. You'll get options from clothing, food, honey, wine, musical instruments, children playing areas, and there are more than one, some rides. So yeah, you just keep on walking and then you find some gemstones, then chocolates. Oh, I'm so glad I'm here. I've loved my time in this market, and if you have also loved this video, then I'll highly appreciate if you can also like and subscribe. From here, my next destination is Basel, where I'll be taking some time out to visit Luzerne, as well as Basel's Christmas Market. So, stay tuned and see you soon. Thanks for watching.